An excellent lubricant and the protectant for the alimentary canal, the mucus. Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my channel. Students, in this video article, I will focus on the importance of the mucus in the gastrointestinal tract, how mucus helps in the digestion process. Mucus is a thick secretion, slimy thick secretion secreted by the goblet cells which are present in the alimentary canal. It is the thick fluid composed of mainly water, electrolytes, and the mixture of the several glycoproteins. It is important in the gastrointestinal tract for its lubricating and the protective properties. Mucus has several important characteristics that play a key role for the alimentary canal. In this video, I will focus on the characteristics of the mucus that provide a huge contribution in the digestion of the body. Adhesive property. Mucus has the adhesive properties. Mucus has adherent qualities. This quality make it adherent tightly to the food particle or the other particles. This make a thin film to spread over the surface epithelium of the wall of the alimentary canal. Number two, it has the coating ability. Mucus has sufficient body that it coats the wall of the gut and prevent the actual contact of the most harmful or acidic food particles with the mucosa. It is here the big example in the stomach. This wall of the stomach is protected by the mucus layer that provide protection from the action of the harmful acidic enzyme pepsinogen on the gastric wall. Lubrication. Mucus has a low resistance for the slippage, so it lubricates passage of the food particles through gastrointestinal tract along the epithelium with great ease. Adheres fecal particles. Mucus has the ability to adhere the fecal particles. Mucus causes fecal particles to adhere with each other to form feces that are expelled during the bowel movement. Resistance to the digestion. Mucus is strongly resistant to the digestion by the gastrointestinal tract enzymes. For instance, the wall of the stomach is protected by the harmful digestive enzymes, the pepsin, due to the presence of the mucus layer on the wall. At last, the mucus has the amphoteric property. Amphoteric properties. Due to the presence of the glycoproteins in the composition of the mucus, it makes it capable of buffering small amounts of the either acids or the alkalis. Mucus often contain bicarbonate ions that specifically neutralize acids. So in this way, mucus play a huge role in the digestion and in addition to helping in the establishment of the health of your body. So these all are about the properties of the mucus. Thank you very much.